What's up, everybody? Ben here. Today I want to show you these this drag pack that we got for Carter's Camaro. So a few months ago we picked up this set of 18-inch Weld Wheels. I think they're 18 by 12s, and they had some. I think they were ET Streets. Mickey Thompson. No, they were Hoosiers. They had some Hoosier slicks on them or something that were already like showing cords and looking kind of bad. So we put them on once just for the fun of it. Carter wanted to burn them off, and he did burn them off for at a Coffee and Cars event here in Lubbock, and it was awesome. He made this epic burnout and left a smoldering, flaming pile of rubber on the ground. This was after he actually burned out some of his factory wheels and tires, or his factory tires on his factory wheels for his Camaro. So he's just loving burnouts. Anyways, so we got some new slicks for him. These are Mickey Thompson ET Street SS. He did mount up these rears and got just a couple of miles on them just to kind of scrub them in. But tonight we're going to the drag strip. So I'm going to roll them up there and get him on his Camaro. All right, so got the rears in here. His Camaro's already pulled in by the 2-post lift. We'll get these his street wheels and tires off. Our shops are just packed full right now, but check this out. I just got back from Lone Star Horsepower and picked up these skinnies. These are matching Weld Laguna fronts. These are 18 by 5s. And then the tires are also matching Mickey Thompson ET Street front skinnies. Let's see, 28 by 6. So I think they're all technically street tires, but of course they are designed for drag racing. So we're gonna bolt these on, and we're gonna head to Pinwheel. After we load it up on the trailer, we're gonna head to Pinwheel Nights Raceway near Odessa, Texas. All right, so got one side done. Here is the street tires. This is the drag tires. So his street tires are Michelin Pilot Sport 4S 315/30 ZR20s. And I think those are 20 by 12-inch wheels. And then his drag pack are actually narrower tires. So they're 305/40 on 18 by 12s. You'll notice the diameter, I think the diameter is significantly higher on the drag pack. So looking like less than an inch, maybe half an inch difference, something like that. So I feel like they're about the same weight. Comparing these two, just, with my finger scale, I don't know. Maybe the drag pack is a little bit lighter. But now the fronts are maybe half the weight, dramatically lighter. But, I mean, obviously, the tire is tiny. So, this is his front tires that we have are also Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. And they are 275, no, excuse me, 245/40s. On a 20 by 9, I think. And then these are, I guess these are measured in inches. Yeah, so this is a 28 by 6 on an 18 by 5. there's a metric conversion for that measurement, and I don't know what it is, 28 by 6, whatever it is, it's small. So anyways, I'm gonna get the other side mounted up and roll it out. Carter's previous best time in this Camaro with the same mods at the same track was 11.9. So picked up somewhere around 2/10. I got his new personal best is 11.7 at 120 mile per hour and at the quarter mile. And this is at a track in West Texas. Elevation is about 3,000 feet. So we talk about going to another track some other point where we're a little closer to sea level and get some new better times, better personal bests. If you enjoyed this content and you want to see more about this car or any of the other vehicles that we have projects going on, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.